Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. For this video, I'm sure you can tell I'm going to be doing another amazing product review, which is called browcode. So this is a brow tinting DIY kit that you can do at home. I've never done any brow tinting before, so I actually had to watch some videos beforehand before I make a fool of myself on this video, basically. But yeah, I'm excited. I've never done a brow tinting video before, and I've never even just done it outside of videos, so this is going to be a new experience for me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I have the brow tint kit right here, cream activator paste, the actual color mini pot thing that they've given me, serum, the brush. The next one that they have shown me is a gold dual brow brush. So it looks like that, and it's just one little brow brush. I'm gonna put my hair up and actually start testing out this product. Okay, cool. Now that my hair is up, so step number 1, use an oil-free cleanser to remove any makeup. We recommend the browcode micellar water. I don't have the browcode micellar water, so I'm just going to use my normal micellar water. Step number 2, to achieve the best tinting results, you'll need to completely dry your brows, remove all oils from the skin. This will allow the tint to penetrate beneath the surface layer of the skin and stain the brows evenly. Okay, I'm just leaving my eyebrows to dry up a little bit because that is exactly what they said. Right, now it is the next step in preparation of the tint. Put approximately a pea-size amount of tint and a pea-size amount of cream activator into a mixing dish, ensuring ratios are equal parts. Okay, let's do that. I have my little pot, the activator, and I have the actual color. So I watched a video and it said 3 little pea sizes of the products each, so 3 pumps, well, 3 squeezes from this and 3 squeezes from this as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this. Oh, it looks so tiny. Look at that, it's so tiny. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. I hope that's not too much, but I kind of just put 3 little pea sizes in there. This little baby here, so I'm gonna put 3 squeezes from this as well, 3 pumps of the activator and the 3 pumps of the actual color. All right, so I'm just gonna mix that, and it says until it gets like a darker shade. Yeah, that's the color of natural brown. It looks fine to me. It is a very creamy paste, so yeah, which is exactly what the instructions have said. So I think it's ready. This is my first time doing it. I'm looking at myself in the monitor, and what do you guys think? Which eyebrow is a lot better? I feel like I did this eyebrow better than the other one. I thought this one was pretty good, but maybe not. I think this one's better. Okay, so I actually want to try this ombre trick that they have going on, which is where you just rub off the front bit of your eyebrows. So then when you do take it off, it's kind of like light tint, like light color over here, and then it just gets dark as you go up. So I think that's pretty cool because I want like a natural look. I've always gone for the natural look. I'm always going for the effortless look. I'm just going to take off just the front bit. All right, so it's been a minute for this eyebrow. I'm going to try and rub off like the front half of it. Get an ombre look. I think I'm just gonna wait a few more minutes. I'm gonna give myself 2 more minutes. I have the timer right there. Okay, it's time. 2 minutes has gone by already. I'm gonna take this off. I have a damp cloth and I'm just gonna swipe it out towards, and not scrub it, because that's what's gonna take the tint out. So I'm gonna do this one first because I did this side first. Okay. overall, I really like this product. I like the fact that I get to do it myself, and it was pretty fun really trying out this brow tint. I've never done this before, so I was pretty nervous to like mess it up and, you know, mess my face up, but it actually turned out to be okay. Like, as a beginner, I'm pretty impressed that I managed to keep some sort of shape, and I kept it in a shape that I wanted it. So I really like it. The instructions were very clear. The videos were really helpful as well. So thank you so much, browcode. I really enjoyed trying out your product and doing this video for you. Would I recommend this to a friend? I absolutely would. You can get it professionally done if you want to, but if you prefer to do things your way and do it in a way that you like it, then I'd recommend the DIY kit. But yeah, go check out their social medias, their websites, and learn a little bit more about it, because I really enjoyed it. I think you guys will enjoy it too. So yeah, that is my review. Thank you so much, browcode, for sending me this product. I really loved it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!